Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown in Moultrie, Georgia with Commodity Consulting with some commentary for Thursday. It's about 2:25 Eastern Time. Market's pretty well mixed today. Cotton sold off a little bit. We had the exports out today, and they were better than last week because last week, as you know, was a negative number. We sold like 71,000 bales. Shipments were off a little bit, but at 199,000, but we have to remember that the last 3 or 4 weeks have been marketing year highs, are really are near it. So those are record shipments. So to see it peel back a little bit is okay. Also, we're obviously approaching the end of the month, with tomorrow being the last trading day of February. So probably some positioning trading on that as well, but wasn't too shabby of a day. Spot cotton, May cotton 65.20 down 34. Spot March 65.27 down 25. And new crop December went out around 65.70 or so, down about 60 points. So we're not we don't see any reason to call in the dogs and think the hunt is over to the upside on that. Beans today rallied stronger. We think the Brazilian truck strike was halfway over. I think a judge ruled against the strikers, but only a third of them or so went back to work. So continued to tighten up the flow of beans out of South America, and so beans were up again today. As a matter of fact, all beans were above $10 handsomely, except for November's, and they knocked on the door at $9.98. So it looks like we want to try to trade up there a little bit more on that. Corn was up today after taking a little bit of a spill, although corn exports were down and bean exports were down. Wheat did a little reversal today of sorts, but of course wheat's been hammered pretty good of late, so we're not overly concerned about that. We're still lending money to foreign countries to buy our wheat, which is to us never a good deal. So we'll see how that wheat trade does look. The trend of wheat is still down. I think when you eyeball the charts, the trend of corn is basically sideways to down, and the overall trend of soybeans is sideways to down. And by that I mean, for instance, May beans today went out around 10.26, and back on October the 27th last year we were 10.26. So for all that time we really haven't gone anywhere as far as a trend is concerned. Over in the dollar very strong today as the euro was weaker, and crude oil really tapped out to the downside today, taking out $48. So more pain there in the energy markets. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call at 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.